Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. As a researcher, I have tested countless AI tools. Some summarize papers, others help with citation, but none offered a complete solution. Then I discovered SciSpace and it's changed everything. Finally, an AI that truly understands research needs, like having a brilliant research partner always ready to help. Let me show you why it's amazing. So let's explore together. So you can see here the simple interface of SciSpace. Don't worry, I'll share the link in the description. So let's see all the tools which is required for the research. You can chat with PDF, you can create literature review, AI writer, find topic, paraphrasers, AI detectors, citation generator, extract data, PDF to video. This is so amazing. Everything required for a research work is already here. Let's start from chat with PDF. I'm uploading one document which is taken from a workshop related to HR diagram of physics. So you can see here my document is here on the left side. Now I can easily chat with this PDF. So let's start for the conclusion, let's say. Wow, you can see here the conclusion of Hertzsprung-Russell diagram according to the document is placed here quickly and very correctly with observational points and other details. So I wrote how to find distances from star cluster. So you can see here the very specific research based answer of my query. So you can chat with any PDF and you can get very targeted answer which is required by any researcher. So let's try other tools. One of the finest tool I would like to share is SciSpace Agent. So you can meet your co-scientist, and this is unbelievable. It is something very new by SciSpace. So let's try together. So you can give any task to work on. I'm giving one task. So I wrote, how can we update HR diagram of physics in 2025? So let's see how my co-scientists work. This is very difficult and challenging task. So you can see here my co-scientist has started making research. The co-scientist means the virtual SciSpace agent. So you can see here my co-scientist, which is SciSpace agent, has started solving my query. You can see the major updates of HR diagrams for 2025, and it's going to provide a very scientific and sensible solutions for my queries. This is really awesome. I didn't find this kind of feature in any AI. Now my next is literature review, and we know that for the research, literature review is something very important. So let me write down my query. So I wrote, what significant advancement have been made in the development of Hertzsprung-Russell diagram in the field of physics over the past decade? The data machine is working. They already found 150 papers related to this topic. Wow. So you can see here a 39 pages document has been prepared, and it's really very professional and exactly according to my requirements. A literature review has been generated, and with complete citation, you can see the table has been generated and formatted. This is really awesome. No tool can do this kind of research work. You can see the references, it's already alphabetically aligned. Similarly, you have AI writer. It's not an ordinary chatbot, it's actually a research writer. So again, I'm writing here HR diagram of physics. So you can see the heading has been generated, and now you can add introduction, definitions, historical background, and so on. You need to just click on Ask AI. Similarly, you can use this tool which is find topics. You can go deeper with research papers to extract insightful topics. As I told you, it's a complete solution. So there is AI paraphraser tool is also there. So you can write your text and it will paraphrase for you. There is academic AI detector which is built in this platform. You can give an input or you can upload PDF to find out the detection. Another amazing option is citation generator. So you can see here there are lot of options available to find out. For example, I wrote here Harvard, and you can see here all the Harvard style citation is available in this platform. Another amazing and useful option is you can extract data from different research papers. So you can upload a PDF of a research paper. Let me try this. So you can see here I uploaded HR diagram document, and I can generate a summary. I can make a podcast.
Welcome, folks. Today we are discussing the fascinating topic of
we can create podcast also easily. Similarly, you can also convert PDF to video. So the video is ready. Let's see.
Welcome to our exploration of star clusters.
If you found this helpful, please comment SciSpace agent below. It's really support the channel. I have included the full product blog link in description. If you want to try SciSpace for yourself, I have got a special deal for you. Check the description below for an exclusive link that gives you a whopping 40% discount. Don't miss out. This offer won't last forever. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.